as many as you can in your mouth. Make your cheeks big. Chubby cheeks. Chubby bunny. Yeah. You smell really good. It's fresh. I just now opened it. And I'm going to see how many I can shove into my mouth. Okay. Count with me at home. 1. 1. I haven't practiced this, by the way. Okay. 3. 4. So as you guys can see, I only got 5 marshmallows. I'm going to try one more time, see if I can get more. So, fighting. Putting marshmallows in your mouth you think would be easier than this, but it's not. There's going to be a technique. Think if you press as hard as you can to get it into your mouth, it might work. Okay. 1 marshmallow. Should be called hamster. I look more like a hamster than a bunny. So there you have it, Chubby Bunny Challenge. Thanks for watching. Bye.